Using Excel to create run charts, R charts, and X bar charts. This video uses examples 2, 3, and 5 from section 14-2. We begin with the procedure for creating a run chart, followed by the procedure for creating R and X bar charts. Creating a run chart in Excel requires that the data be stacked in a single column, with the first observation in the top cell and the last observation in the bottom cell. Once the data are stacked, we create a line chart using the same procedure for creating time series graphs as described in section 2-4. Begin by entering the stacked data values in a single column of the spreadsheet. In this example, the weights of minted quarter data are stacked and entered into cells A1 through A101. This data is stacked by entering the day 1 data, followed by the day 2 data, day 3 data, and so on. When entering each day, begin with the earliest hour 1 and end with the latest hour 5. Once all the data has been entered into the column, select the cells that contain the data to be used in the chart by clicking on the top cell in the data column and, while holding the mouse button down, dragging the cursor to the bottom cell in the data column. Next, click the Insert tab on the ribbon and then click Line in the Charts section of the ribbon. Select the Line or Line with Markers graph type. In this example, we will select the Line with Markers graph type. The line graph can be edited for improved appearance. We can change the design and format of the graph using the Chart Tools section of the ribbon. We can right-click on the axis and select Format Axis to adjust axis options and formatting. Right-click on any data point and select Format Data Series to adjust line and marker formatting. The Excel Stat add-in can generate R and X bar charts using the following procedure. First, click on the Excel Stat tab in the ribbon. If Excel Stat is not available, you must install the Excel Stat add-in as described in section 1-5 of Elementary Statistics using Excel 5th edition. Click on the Excel Stat-SPC button and then select Subgroup Charts from the drop-down menu. You should now see the Statistical Process Control Subgroup Charts dialog box. Under Chart Family, select Subgroup Charts, and under Chart Type, select X-bar-R chart. Click on the General tab. Under Data Format, select Columns if the data are listed in separate columns, or select one column if the data are stacked in a single column. In this example, we have entered the data from Table 14-1 in columns A through E, so we select Columns. In the data box, enter the range of data. In this example, our data is contained in cells A1 through E21. If the data range includes a data label, check the Column Labels box. In this example, we check this box. Select Sheet to display the results on a new worksheet. Click the Estimation tab. Under Method for Sigma Subgroups, select R bar. Click OK, and the results will be provided as shown. These results include the X-bar chart control limit values, including the upper control limit value, center line value, and lower control limit value. Below these control limits, we find the X-bar chart itself. Below the X-bar chart, we find the R chart control limit values, including the upper control limit value, center line value, and lower control limit value. Below these control limits, we find the R chart itself.